Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we're at Universal Orlando Resorts. We are at Cabana Bay, and what we are going to show you today is what the room is like when you first walk into the room at Cabana Bay. So here's the hallway, and here is the room. We stayed here a few weeks ago for a few nights. It was very nice, and we show you exactly what it is. You get a room key, and it's easy to use. Just click it and there you go, and its green light shows up and you're in. So let's take a quick look at the room, because a lot of people who are going here need to know what the room looks like. Now the bathroom is to the left, at least it was in our place. Nice bathroom. There's the door to the bathroom and the shower, so if you need to do things in the sink, you can. Your children are taking a bath or shower, or your spouse, and you need to do things in the sink, you still can. The bathroom was very nice, very clean. It had that retro look, as you can tell. And they give you some shampoo and conditioner and soap. So it was very nice, very clean. They say at the resort during this coronavirus that they try to leave the room empty for 24 to 48 hours if they can. So that's a nice thing. Here is the closet, and in the closet you will find several things. One is a safe, so you can put your valuables in there. Also, here is an iron. Very nice, very convenient to have. Here is the look at the room. We had two beds, two queen beds. Very nice decor. Everything here is set in the 1950s, very retro. I loved it. It was fantastic, and it was very clean. You can see in the orange drawer, that's where you would find the refrigerator. And the top drawers are for you to put your clothes in. The orange one, you open that and there's a refrigerator. There is an ice bucket. There's coffee machine with some coffee if you want to drink coffee. The TV is very large and nice little cute kitchenette set. And here is the light. All the lights and everything are in that 50s. How cute, nice picture. The bed is big and nice and clean. It was all made up for us. Everything was perfect. If I have to rate this, I'm going to rate it an A. It was fantastic. And here you go. They give you a telephone if you need it, and an alarm clock. And look, even the remote has been cleaned and is in plastic. There are some things to charge your items. There's also some near the kitchenette if you need to charge a lot of different items. It was a great room, very clean, and everything you can imagine. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.